All right, so the first thing we're going to do is let's write down the problem. More of the same, but a little different. What happens if you see something like this? 3x plus 8x minus 16. Well, it's the same thing. You could think of this as like being a positive 1, and you could distribute it through here by multiplying everything by positive 1. But what's positive 1 times positive 8x? Just 8x. What's positive 1 times negative 16? Just negative 16. So really, we just get rid of the parentheses, right? What's 8 plus 3? 11. So you get 11x minus 16. So that's one problem. Well, bam with the bacon sizzle. Let's try another one real quick. I'm sorry I moved that away. Let's try this one. What do you think of this problem? If I say 2x plus 9 plus 11x minus 4. Well, this is the same thing as before. We're really just adding like terms, right? So in this particular case, I've got 2x plus 11x. What's that add up to? 13x. And then I got positive 9 minus 4. What's that? Positive 5, right? Well, bam with the bacon sizzle. That was pretty easy, huh? Let's try one more. What about this one? If I say negative x squared plus x plus 4x squared minus x minus 1 if I multiply this stuff by positive 1, none of this stuff changes really. So what we're going to do is the same thing we've been doing. I've got a negative 1x squared here. I've got a positive 4x squared here. What's that equal? Positive 3x squared. Then I do the x's to the first power, right? This is x to the first power. And this is x. So I got positive x to the first power, negative x to the first power. Yeah, it just adds up to 0, so that goes away. And then I'm left with this lonely little negative 1 by itself. Can't add it to anything, so I just drop it down here. That's pretty easy, huh? Let's see if we can fit one more in this video. I'm going to slide all the way up to the top, so my pretty little face over here. One last one. Here we go. Ready? X squared plus 7x. And then I'm going to add that to the quantity 2x squared minus 7x. Same thing, nothing changes. So I've got 1x squared plus 2x squared. What's that? 3x squared. Then I've got 7x minus 7x. What's that equal? 0. So I just got 3x. But here's the thing. What is this? How many terms is that? It's one term. And what degree? You answered the different question. Yeah, what degree is this? It's the second degree. Right? So then that would be what we call a quadratic, because it's the second degree, and monomial because it's one term. And if I come down here and I look at this stuff, what's this one? Second degree, so we call that quadratic. Binomial. Bi like bicycle has two wheels. Okay, now what about this one over here? This is a linear because it's the first degree. Binomial because it's two terms.